Hi, I'm Matt Grodinick, lead developer of RackForms, and in this feature video I got something really awesome to show you. So the basic idea is in RackForms, whenever we publish a form, as I'm about to do right here, we get PHP output, right? So .php. Our brand new feature, and something I'm really excited about, is now, without having to change our job at all I have to do is check this box right here to export the job as ASP.NET, specifically C#. So if I check that box, rebuild my job, now instead of PHP, we're getting our ASPX page. Now, of course, this is a PHP server right here, so let's move to a Windows environment where we can actually see this job running in an ASP.NET environment. So to do so, I'm going to go ahead and fire up Visual Studio. I've actually got a job saved here, a solution, so I'll go ahead and open that solution. When I look at the Solution Explorer here, these are all the things that RackForms creates for us, so all the JavaScript, CSS, etc., and of course our page files, so our ASPX page, and then our code behind file right here. Of course, if I go to this page and try to run it, you can see here then that Mozilla is going to open up the page, and again, here is the exact same job, just now as ASPX. Of course, one of the great benefits of this is, although Visual Studio is a great environment for building jobs, one thing you don't get is a lot of built-in logic, and this is something that RackForms is very good at. So for example here, this is a multi-page form job. So we have page 0, page 1, and page 2. Now of course, in this particular job, we don't want our users to be able to skip directly to the confirmation page. So for example, we don't want them to go just to page2.aspx. Now if you were hand-coding this form, you'd have to build this logic in yourself, right? You have to look at each page, set sessions, etc. With RackForms Output though, you don't have to worry about that. If I try to go to page 2, we just get redirected back to page 0. And of course, this is just one example of the many things that RackForms does for us automatically. Of course, if you have any questions about this feature or anything else you see on our site, please feel free to give us a call. Our number's at the top of the site, or drop us a line at info@rackforms.com. Thanks for taking the time to check us out, and happy form building.